Hello, good morning everyone. Today we start with the conditions which are related to the functioning of heart. Due to abnormal functioning of heart, we can have number of conditions. It can be due to high blood pressure, it can be due to the unusual supply of blood from the heart, it can be due to the heartbeat which can be missed also. So depending upon the very first, we talk about the heartbeats. Now heartbeats, it can be strong, it can be fast, it can be slow also. So these heartbeats, they are called as palpitation. Palpitation is the feelings when the heartbeat is very strong and they are very fast. So they're not very harmful, but they are a very positive indications for the heart problems. Now what can be the causes of palpitation? Palpitation that can be due to after a physical exercise, heavy exercise, running, swimming, cycling, our heartbeat increases. Yes. Then it can be due to stress. If you are under tension, you are anxious, there is anxiety, there is fear, then also the heartbeat increases. Then it can be due to your smoking, it can be due to the intake of drugs. Then this heartbeat, if it is more than 100 beats per minute, if the heartbeat, then we say that the heartbeat is fast. And this heartbeat can be due to the improper functioning of auricles. Yes. Second, we talk about if the failure of the blood from the heart is not proper. When the heart fails to pump the blood, that is cardiac arrest. When the sudden stoppage of the pumping of blood is there from the heart, that is called as cardiac arrest. Now these cardiac arrest is what? When the heart stops pumping blood, all of a sudden, then what is there? There is no vision. That means the person becomes unconscious. There is no breathing. Before this, when the heart is going to stop the blood, to pump the blood, what is the indications? It can be the chest pain, it can be dizziness, it can be nausea feeling, it can be high sweating. Then we talk about it can be heavy breathing also, abnormal breathing, shortness of breath can be there. Yes. Now this indication that the heart is going to stop the pumping of blood, it can be due to the coronary artery disease. Coronary artery disease, we have the coronary arteries which are supplying the blood to heart muscles. So when the heart muscles are not getting oxygen, they will not be able to supply blood to the other parts of the body. Yes. Then it can be due to hemorrhage. Hemorrhage is excessive blood loss from the body. Then it can be because the potassium and sodium levels are very important for the functioning of the heart, for our blood vessels. So that potassium level becomes very, very low in our body. Then the heart muscles, the cardiac muscles, they enlarge and they're not able to work properly. Then it can be the narrowing of heart valves. The tricuspid and the bicuspid valves, they become too narrow, they become hard and they're not able to pump the blood in a very smooth manner. Yes. And the ventricles, the thickening, there is thickening of ventricles which leads to abnormal pressure applied on the aorta. So that leads to cardiac arrest. Yes. Now the factors, the risk factors, it can be due to family history also. Yes. It can be due to the high cholesterol level in the blood. It can be due to obesity. There's high blood pressure also. And it can be due to smoking. It can be diabetes and it can be the excessive use of drugs. Yes. Now we talk about is hypertension. Hypertension is high blood pressure. When the blood pressure exceeds the normal level, normal levels of blood we have 120 by 80 mm of mercury. When this exceeds above 140 the systolic pressure and 90 the diastolic pressure, that means our both systolic and diastolic pressure becomes high, that is hypertension. Now this hypertension is what we say that it is able to pump the blood to all the parts of body, and this pumping is under high pressure. Yes. So the ventricles, because the left ventricle is thickest, so that walls of ventricle becomes too thick and the cardiac muscles, they become too weak to pump the blood, which increases the risk of heart attack. Now the causes of the hypertension can be hereditary also. It can be due to more of weight of the body, overweight, the person can be overweight. It is less of physical exercise. It can be cigarette smoking also. It can be the intake of drugs. It can be due to tensions also. And it can be due to the diabetic patient. They become more of hypertension. Yes. Then the last of all we talk about is the heart attack. Heart attack is due to the clotting in the blood vessels. Clotting in the coronary arteries. The coronary arteries become blocked due to excessive amount of cholesterol in them. So the lumen becomes narrow, and that leads to the decreased supply of blood to the heart muscles. That leads to deadening of heart muscles. That leads to heart attack. And as the heart attack is there, the person can die also.